birthday.
Sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo sa buhay. Sana matupad mo yung pangarap mo.
So always remember, life is not good all the time. So always remember that you always show all the best in you.
Huwag ka na, maging mature enough ka, at pagtapos na ng pag-aaral mo, make your family proud, lalo na yung mom mo. Happy birthday!
Birthday eh. Pangarap mo sa buhay katupad mo and always pray to God.
Happy birthday, wish you a good health and make a dreams and a life filled with laughter and love. Always remember, you're pinakamaganda.
At pagkawalilang ka, nandito lang lang sila para sa'yo.
I can't wait pag dumating ka na dito sa Canada one of these days in God's perfect timing. And you know, people in your age love you all. Have fun today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kira. Love you.
Happy birthday celebrator we have Aaron Lester in front. And now, let's proceed to the 21 candles.
Sa'yo is matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Hindi ka na
Sana huwag ka na maging ana sa pag-ibig, love you.
tapos mo yung miss natin. Sana matupad mo mga pangarap mo.
Actually, and always pray and never give up because God is always there for you. And because of God, wish ko sana makapagtapos ka ng programa para matulungan mo sila Ate Maggie pati yung family.
A wonderful day in this beautiful world. You're not just part of my life. You're part of who I am. I can't imagine a life with you and me together. I will
Thank you for being my constant, my safe space, and for being my best.
Come true. Here's your, we love you, our photographer, Kuya, let's get the video. Tita, isang tawag ko lang sa'yo, nandiyan ka agad. Kahit alam na marami kang ginagawa, nandiyan ka pa rin para tulungan at namayan.
Birthday pa. Super saya and blessed ko dahil nakilala kita. Thank you kasi palagi mong napapasaya yung circle natin. Happy birthday. No more dramas na. Alam naman, lagi naman tayo magkasama eh. So yun, lagi mo tatandaan na meron kang ako, meron kang kami na circle mo. Stay humble, maging masaya ka sana sa buhay mo. Huwag lang sobra na eh, bakit maging, ano ka rin? Ano ka lang?
You're one of the genuine friends I have. Forever siya yung your mental health. Dead mo na sa mga taong hindi naman relevant sa buhay.
Thanks mo palagi. And palagi mong tatandaan, nandito na ako palagi sa'yo. Lipat ka man ng section, but I'm still always here for you.
You're growing, you're healing, and you're finally choosing yourself. Thank you kasi ito ka sa buhay namin. Thank you sa pagiging napaka-respeto mo, napakabait mo. Napakabait mo na lang para sa akin.
You know naman nandito na ako always for you. Hanggang iparaphrase lahat ng gagawin mo.
Ayun na!
Thank